And then like, yeah, just act like you're drinking. You don't really, you know, and then like.
We wanna climb on the rock, kayak in the lake, do some pop and lock. We wanna afterwards, maybe geocache. TP Dub, preserving parks, and Mother Nature, from dawn till dark. It ain't no secret.
Preserving trash.
Pick up trash.
That was all intentional.
And you and I went down at the same time, so we were like, and I was like, oh wait, I don't know if we want to do that.
Perfect harmony, and we're rolling with our posse and our GOG. Oh.
It's after this one, right?
You're recording?
Yes.
Representing TP Dub in perfect harmony. When I'm rolling with my posse and our GOG, we running trees. That's gonna make for a really good blooper.
Yeah, because we need to be behind the video.
Representing TP Dub in perfect harmony, rolling with our posse and our GOG. We hugging trees, right?
We wrap the earth.
And wrap the earth.
Trees. And it's true, if I were you, I'd be jealous of me.
Okay.
Guys, so hard.
Now GOG. We wrap the earth and
Okay,
we're hugging
let's do
trees.
it.
And it's true, if I were you.
I'd be jealous of me.
Representing TP Dub in perfect harmony. When I'm rolling with my posse and our DOG, we wrap the earth and we're hugging trees. And it's true, if I were you, I'd be jealous of me.
One more time. TP Dub. That's right. I almost started out.
Yeah, that was funny.
Let's start again.
Representing TP Dub in perfect
Okay. I'm recording.
Oh, I thought that. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'm recording. Oh, it's far away.
Yeah.
Just like do some stuff. I like it. Damn it, this is far.
We were waiting to pause it, and we were. Oh yeah.
Okay.
What? What?
One more time.
What?
I loved it.
A reel in my land and sea, I caught me some trash. As I
forgot the one.
Yeah.
Sorry, I can't hear it. And then swing. Okay, now swing.
Okay, hold on.
It goes like from your back to your.
Do you want to kick me that? Oh, it's full! Awesome. Alright, can you see this?
No.
What if I like picked it up and did this?
Okay, alright.
Far back.
Alright. Alright, go.
I'm mad at the camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready, go.
Just
Recording now, so go ahead and...
I'm not doing that on purpose.
Blah, blah, blah.
Max, don't do that.
Alright, so look at me and talk. Like you normally would. Like Texas Park and
Texas
Wildlife.
Parks and Wildlife for all the needs of
How
the
great would
mother.
that be for her to hold that dog the entire time she's talking?
Hello. My name.
Texas Park and Wildlife 可以提供的更多户外运动的种类，包括 parking、blah blah blah 等等。Okay.
You know, like, we wanted to highlight some of the main outdoor activities that Texas Park.
Great. Hold on.
Dog, we call him Kojo. Watching birds. Do, like,
Sorry,
like
this is
a
just funny.
Yeah. Dog walking. horseback riding, kayaking, hunting, sandwich eating outdoors.
Okay. Sandwich eating outdoors.
Yeah.
It's like a sport, they call it. You eat a bunch of sandwiches.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Sandwich eating outdoors. Okay. Sorry, I need to do the next one. Playing. Okay. Sandwich eating outdoors. Playing. Freeze tag. Let's do one that's real. Like, oh yeah.
And hi, did I say hiking? I think I'm sure you did.
Let's do it again. Yeah, I'll list a couple
Yeah.
again. Hiking. That's like the first. Running and jumping. Sometimes combination of the two.
Okay, that's everything that's going on. Oh, thank you. Sorry, 1 second. I said Pellegrino, no, this tap water crap.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, where were we? What were we talking about?